Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an AI tool that can create talking avatars, social media content, marketing videos, or YouTube shorts without advanced editing skills, then keep watching because this review covers everything you need to know before you start using Hedra AI. AEII. Hedra AI is an AI-powered video creation platform designed to generate lifelike talking characters. You can upload an image or create an AI character, add a script, and choose or generate a voice, and Hedra automatically synchronizes the lips and facial expressions with the speech. The result looks much more natural than many traditional avatar generators. Getting started is simple. First, create an account and log in to the Hedra AI dashboard. After logging in, you'll find options to create a new project. Upload your own image or select an AI-generated character, then paste your script. Next, either upload your own voice or use the built-in AI voices. Finally, click Generate, and within a short time, Hedra creates your talking video automatically. One feature I really like is the realistic facial animation. The lip movements match the audio surprisingly well, making videos feel more human. It also supports AI voice generation, custom voice uploads, and high-quality character animation. Whether you're creating educational videos, marketing content, storytelling videos, or social media clips, Hedra makes the entire workflow much faster. The biggest advantage is how beginner-friendly it is. You don't need video editing experience, and the interface is clean and easy to navigate. The output quality is impressive for AI-generated videos. On the downside, the free plan comes with limitations, including usage credits and export restrictions. For creators producing videos regularly, a paid plan may eventually become necessary. So, is Hedra AI worth trying? I'd say yes, especially if you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or business owner who wants to create professional talking avatar videos quickly. The free version is a great way to test its capabilities before deciding whether to upgrade. If this review helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.